That's the incoming cord. That is the... Actually, I'm not sure now. And that's the incoming cord. That's the thermostat. That's the incoming cord. Compressor wiring. This is the cabinet light. So yeah, sweet. So this cable is the incoming with the green earth. That goes to ground point there, the central ground point. And obviously this is the cabinet light that goes to the active there, mains into there, neutral goes to there. So that's where the neutral from the cabinet light goes. This is the compressor wiring, and obviously it goes there. So that's the red, black and white compressor wiring, and we can see that right there. So that's how it's wired up. So yeah, for my record only.